Hello friends, good morning. Now we are looking about Fortune Links business plan. Okay, this is very newly launching plan. It has been launched globally at 20th October pre-launching. Okay, so now we'll see what is in this plan, what is the opportunity. Okay, so it is having good services. I'm working with this, and I'm promoting this plan all over world, and I am having now all over world team. Okay, so it is having very good response in market. Actually, this is the first unique concept from the world. We can see in this the withdrawal is 24/7. We can withdraw when anytime. Okay, so we'll see the another things, and now we go through this. The joining amount of this plan is $16. If you pay $16, the non-working income is here, so you will get daily cashback $0.027. The tenor of the plan is 111 days. If you pay $16, you will get almost $30 non-working income, means you will get your double amount within 111 days. Okay, no need to refer anyone and no need to work. If you want to earn more by this opportunity, we'll see the referral bonus. Okay, so here at first level you refer 5 directs. Okay, so from each partner, each direct referral, you will get $0.1. Means you can see here in as per table, if we refer 5 people, we'll get daily basis $0.5 up to 200 days. Means it will be almost $100. You start with $16 and you will earn $100 from that 5 people. If they refer again 5 people, if they go through 5 by 5 matrix, then at second level your team will be 25, and from that 25 persons you will get $0.08 from each person. It will be $2 per day income, and you will get this payment up to 100 days. Means you will get income $200 from second level. There is no any compulsion to go through 5 by 5 matrix. If you promote one person, you will get from that person $0.1 up to 200 days. And if that your referred person refers 10 people, then also you will get by second level from that 10 persons you will get $0.08. Okay, like this, no need to sponsor 5 by 5 matrix. You can refer 1, you can refer 8, you can refer 10, otherwise you can refer 100 also. It is depend upon you how much you want to earn from this system. Okay, so if we go through the referral level bonus in details, as per chat, will this is the only example that 5, if you go through 5 by 5 matrix, how much you will earn. It's depend upon you how to earn and how much you have to refer. If we go through referral bonus, at first level, n number of people you can join, you can refer from that person. From that each person you will get $0.1 up to 200 days. Your referral team at second level, if they refer some peoples, then all that people from each you will get $0.08 up to 100 days. After that third level, if that peoples will promote another persons at third level, from each person you will get $0.06 from per person. Like this you can earn up to 7th level. After that, the next income we can see, this is the very unique income from upline. We seen that in network industry we'll get the payment from downline only, but this is the first concept which will give us from upline income. Okay, so for this criteria is you have to refer 10 direct people at your first level. If you refer direct 10, then you will get 10% of upline's income. Upline is having, if upline your direct upline is having 100 people's team, and whatever he will earn, you will get 10% of his earning. Okay, so but the criteria is you have to refer 10 direct for first level. Okay, we'll see the another income that is very good, because after 7th level what will happen, at the 8th level we will not get anything, but here is system is decided that royalty income. The royalty income is based on 30-70 ratio. At the first level, if you refer n number of peoples, from if you refer 10 peoples, out of that one person your team should be 70 people, and from another 9 people your team should be 30. Means the ratio is 70-30 and your team should be 100. Okay, so if you make 100 people's team, then you will be qualified for royalty income. And the royalty income, it's depend upon the turnover of the company. It will count at the monthly basis. If the company turnover 1 CR, okay, so you will get 1%, and the amount of royalty income, it will be divided in all achievers. Okay, so another the income is the franchisee income. Okay, you can, if you have a team or you want to build the team, you will go through the franchisee income. The first franchisee of 15 pins, if you get one time 15 pins, if you buy the 15 pins, then you will get one pin extra worth $16. If you buy 30 e-pins, you will get 2 pin extra worth $32. If you buy 45 pins, you will get 3 pins extra worth $48. But now we are in the initial stage, no need to buy 15, 30 or 45 pins. You can buy at the first pin franchisee, you can buy 10 pins, then also you will get 1 pin extra. At second you can buy 20 pins, then also you will get 2 pins extra. If at third you can buy 30 pins, then also you will get 3 pins extra, means $48 worth. Like this we'll go through the conditions. Okay, all these transactions carried in BTC only, because this plan is going global. There are so many countries involved in this, so many leaders are earning good income. And the second point is admin charges are 5%, it will be deducted from your income. And the withdrawal we can see here, 24/7 means 24 or 7 days, 12 months you can withdraw anytime, but the minimum withdrawal is $5 and multiple in 5. Okay, so this is the plan I have tried to explain you, and this is very good opportunity. You can again you can study this plan and you can start. If you want to start this plan, the leader who sent you this video, you can connect with them and you can grow yourself. This is very big and long term going opportunity. Thank you so much.